welcome back to another video. Oxidation is the process or result of oxidizing or being oxidized. When we say oxidize, we mean like combine chemically with oxygen. So what is an oxidizing agent? An oxidizing agent is a substance that has the ability to oxidize other substances, right? Good. So when something is oxidized, meaning it is combined chemically with oxygen. The oxidation state of any pure element is always zero. Like when we have O2, which is oxygen, the oxidation state is 0. Zn, which is zinc, the oxidation state is 0. But if we have zinc, when zinc is ionized, we say zinc plus 3. Here the oxidation state is plus 3. Or if we have Fe plus 2, the oxidation state is equal to plus 2. So when we have diatomic ions like Hg2 plus 2, if we want to know the oxidation state of one atom of Hg, which is mercury, so that will be like Hg2 plus 2 is equal to 2Hg over 2, and this will be equal to plus 2 over 2. So Hg is equal to plus 1, meaning this subscript here means there are two atoms of Hg, and all of them together their oxidation state is plus 2. Then meaning one will be plus 1, the other one will be plus 1. So together they will be plus 2 because they have two Hg's here. So we have to divide it by 2 in order to have the oxidation state of the diatomic ion. So now let's find the oxidation state of an atom in a compound. So like if we have HNO2, here we have one atom of hydrogen, one atom of nitrogen, and 2 atoms of oxygen. So it's not necessary to write the 1 after this hydrogen and nitrogen because it's 1, so it's the same. But here you should write the 2 to show that this is 2 atoms of oxygen. So here the oxidation state for hydrogen will be plus 1 because hydrogen here is reacting with a non-metal. Instead of negative 1 or minus 1, it will be plus 1 because it is reacting with a non-metal, so it will act like a metal. So that plus N, because we are finding the oxidation state for N, which is nitrogen, plus 2 into minus 2. The oxidation state for oxygen is equal to minus 2. So if we have two atoms of oxygen, meaning that will be 2 times minus 2. So we have plus 1, plus N minus 4 is equal to 0. So here we should equate them to 0. So we have here will be minus 3 is equal to 0. If we add 3 to both sides, or you transpose 3 to here, plus 3. So N is equal to plus 3. So that is the oxidation state for nitrogen at this place. So now let's have a more complex example. If we have Ca into Hc, no, let me start it again. If we have Ce into HCO3, bracket close, and another 2 outside, meaning this here HCO3 is a molecule, meaning 2 of that molecule. So here we are going to find C here. right? So now here our Ce is plus 2 plus 2 plus, now in the bracket our hydrogen here will be plus 1, so plus C, or you can write anything there, so let's leave it as C plus 3. The oxidation state of oxygen is -2, and we have the 2 outside here. So now this plus this, that is after all, erase this one. This one should not be here. Plus 2 plus 1 plus C, 3 times 2 is positive, 3 times -2 is -6. So it's still in the bracket. We have the 2 outside. Have plus 2 plus 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2C minus 12. Let me erase this part here. So now we have plus 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 2C minus 12 is equal to 0. So now 4 minus 12 is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 2C is equal to 0. If we bring 8 to this side to make the variable stand alone, that will be plus 8. So plus 8 divided by 2 is equals to plus 4. So the answer here is plus 4. The oxidation state for C here is plus 4.
A simple trick that will help you how to save money.